Available now at the Moorhead Titan Outlet Store. In this video, we are demonstrating a 1999 New Holland 1475 in good condition. This 1475 is 18 feet wide and features a center pivot hitch, along with conditioning rolls and lift cylinders, and sickle cutting and standard guards. This 1475 is powered by a 1000 PTO. If you're interested in this New Holland 1475 and would like to contact our sales team, give them a call at 877-886-7010. If you're interested in viewing more equipment, go online to TitanOutletStore.com.